Ang ganda ng tripod. Look. Can you see that? This is my vlog. So this is our mic. Uy, nahuli. This is our mic for today. So yes. Sand. Nalimutan ko yung tawag eh. Game. Mag-question and answer tayo. Umuulan pa kasi. So, dito muna tayo sa loob. For now. Wala sa trip ko. Teka. Let's do a Q&A. Beluga, sama ka daw sa Q&A ko. I have a question for you. Nakakainis yun. Okay. Ang tagal niya mag-ayos. Girl, you're so tagal. Wait, wala pa. Sige. Please introduce yourself.
Hi! Welcome to my sister's vlog. Wait lang, tingin mo.
Dali.
Hi, guys! Anong kilala nila sa akin? Charina? Ina? I'm Balugs. The pretty, smart, brave, strong, Congress.
Gusto mo yung tanong ni Shelle? Ano yung, gusto mo yung tanong ni Shelle? Medyo nakakahilang. When is it okay to be not okay? When is it not okay to be not okay?
Akala ko naman personal. Akala ko naman personal. How old are you?
Ito na, what's in your daily bag na lang? Tanong ni, what's in your daily bag?
So, as may bag ko.
Ano?
What's in my bag?
Ako na maghahawak kasi hindi ako naririnig.
Power bank.
Okay?
Dito yung dala ko doon. Madalas meron akong pouch. Earphones. Wallet. Alcohol. And burdick. Yun lang. Pero madalas may dala akong pouch. Meron tayong mouth spray, dip in, oil control, powder, cologne.
Magaling yun. Ointment.
Hindi,
Ano yan?
white flower, rosary, lip balm, poison, and biogesic. Ha! That's all.
Sige, ito tanong ni Kirsten. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old from Batangas.
Yeah. May tanong si Shelle. May tanong siya. Gusto ko masagot mo ha. Bakit po circle yung lemon square?
English only questions, please.
Why is lemon square circle when the name is lemon square?
Because the building is square but the lemon is circle. That's why it's circle square. Have you seen circle C? The building is C but the square is circle. That's why it's called circle C.
Okay. When is self-love too much?
Alam nyo, dapat kapag nakaganitong mic, soft lang kasi
When is self-love too much?
wala akong self-love eh. My self-love is too less. Payless. Para sa'yo yan eh. Bakit akin mo tinatanong? Feeling ko, binibideo niya ako. Tapos kung magsasagot man ako na maayos dito, gagayahin niya. Tapos tsaka siya magbibideo sa bahay. Kilala na kita. 16 years na kitang kapatid. 17. Kasi nung first year, di ka pa namin kilala.
Sagutin ko na yung mga tanong niyo. Tanong sa akin ni Shelley. When is self-love too much? I don't know. I have no idea. I think self-love is self-love is too much when you forget the people around you na nagiging self-centered ka na. Bakit? How do you come up with vlog ideas? I don't. Inaantay ko lang na may dumating na good opportunity. Like, so anyways, I just wait for an opportunity. Like, kunyari, kapag nagbagyo, nagvo-vlog ako. Kaya kapag may gagawin sa school, dun ako magvo-vlog. So, yeah. What's one thing people don't know about you? Hindi ko din alam. Kung hindi nyo alam, hindi ko din alam. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
And why?
Bakit nagdadagdag ko connection? If you had a superpower, what would it be?
Invisibility.
Why?
Because I'm usually invisible.
Ako, teleportation. Kasi mas madaling mag-travel. May dumadating. Mountain or beaches?
Ano mura?
Mom!
Beaches, because that's where the host at.
Family vlog pala.
What is the most embarrassing thing you did in the public?
Nothing.
Weirdest thing na lang.
What?
Weirdest thing.
Weirdest thing?
Yes.
Scotch Bright.
No, Scotch Bright.
Weirdest thing.
Weirdest thing you've done in public, huh?
Weirdest thing you've done in public? Nothing.
Ito kuya, para sa ito kay Ate Sandra, dapat yung sagot na related. What's the sweetest thing someone has done for you?
Nothing.
Ate Sandro, pharaohs or serpents? Pharaohs. I love grade 9. Harry Potter si San. Alam mo naman tanong yun. Kirsten, ha? How old are you? Secret. Favorite moment during grade 10? Diyos ko, ano ba mga tanong yan? Grade 10? Hindi ko na maalala eh. Grade 10? Grade 10? Teka. Siguro nung gumagawa ng dress ni Shiloh. Maganda yun. O kaya, nung field trip. Kuya, do you think pineapple belongs on pizza?
Yes.
Very good. Right answer. I agree. Oh, sige, why?
Because Hawaiian is great.
Favorite animal?
Earthworm.
Ako, favorite animal ko yung katabi ko. Ito, oh.
Ako, Ewok.
What's in your daily bag? Ayoko nga. Short hair, long hair, long hair.
Long.
Good job. What's the most challenging part of filming your vlogs? Yes. Mahirap mag-angle. Kasi medyo nababother ako dito eh. Pero wala tayong magagawa.
Alam mo na. Baka dito sabi ko, baka nandito si Ara. Sabi niya, Ara?
Anyways, what inspired you to start vlogging? Bata pa lang ako milig na ako mag-video. Marami ako. Gusto nyo, pakita ko pa eh.
Hey guys, so I don't know when, I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know how, but I think I'm gonna be a YouTuber. Hey guys, this is the other dog. Hey Clarky! Hey Diggies! Hey Diggies! Oh hi!
What was your dream job as a kid?
Mayari ng tondo.
Wala ako nun. Wala akong copy nun. What was your dream job as a kid? Maging performer. Seryoso.
Hi, Kubo! Mas sayong uyala. Hawak ka ba? Ako ay alien. Hawak ka ba?
It's very true. Okay guys, so today we're going to the...
Shh! Quiet! I'm filming a TikTok.
Betty should be quiet right now because look at her. So, maging performer dati. How long does it typically take you to make a video? A month or 2. Kasi hindi naman lagi may video opportunity. Kasi lagi minsan sa bahay lang ako, minsan sa school. So, nakaka-boring kung paulit-ulit lang. So, nag-aantay ako. So, 1 or 2, minsan 3. Depende. Dati nga mo di ka na mag 1 year eh. What was your favorite video of yours so far? Wala. Siguro yung wala eh. Yung 49 minutes kong video. Okay, favorite thing about creating a video? Yung idea mismo. Pero once nagagawin mo na nakakatamad. Like for real. Nakakatamad siya. As in. Parang ito, na-pushback. Sabi ko, i-film ko to. Pagkatapos ko i-post yung graduation vlog. Anong date na? July 20 na, te. Favorite drink?
My favorite drink is...
Kuya, tanong what's your favorite drink? Sagot niya, my favorite drink is... Favorite app? Spotify. Facebook. Favorite app?
Movie app.
Huh?
The movie app.
Okay, hindi tayo sponsored. The music app. Favorite app?
Loko.
Alin? Saan?
Favorite app. Apate-pate.
How to have your own chapel roan. Ha?
Pray. Pray.
Why?
Because you pray in the chapel.
And you roam around.
Yes.
Favorite things to do when you're home? Matulog. Are Filipino travelers overdressed? I don't think so. Kasi syempre everyone's excited to go somewhere. So I don't think hindi naman na overdressed. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you now what's in my bag. So this is the bag that I use. Okay. Teka lang. May Anbernic. Tapos may powder tayo. And then power bank number 1. Power bank number 2. Cord. Wallet na walang laman. Dalawang katingko. Don't ask bakit dalawa yung katingko ko. Lippy. Lip gloss. Earbuds. That's it sa first big pocket. Sa back pocket naman. House keys. Grocery. Earphones. Bakit may earphones na may earbuds pa? And then, may pamunas. Guys, kita ba ako? Hi guys, makakapag-vlog na tayo sa labas. Hindi na umuulan. Hi guys. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna okay. So, I'm gonna show you. This is the door. And when you enter, this is what you're gonna see. Okay? That's what you're gonna see. And then you go down. Okay, let's go down. Here muna. And then, when you go here, makikita mo yung tent. And when you go here, it's me. That's the tent. Nakita niyo na yung loob ng tent kanina, diba? And then you go down here. Basa na yung pants ko. Go down here sa stairs. Teka lang. Okay. And then you go down. After you go down, we have this place down here. Okay. Teka lang. Teka. Go down. Okay. And then we have here. Ta-da! And then, ta-da! Okay. Okay.
Everything's gnarly, hotty, like a bag of taki.
This.
Kuya, baka tunaw na yan, hindi pa yung marshmallow mo.